Once upon a time, there was an English family wanting to change the course of their lives. They wanted to change their way of living. They wanted to leave the past behind. They were looking for a simple life. They intended to live in peace. They had the dream of a new paradise, the hope for a new house. So Alice, Jack, and little John embarked on the ship and sailed the sea. They gathered all their strength to overcome the obstacles while sailing the sea. But things went wrong. Alice! Alice! Hold my hand! Hold me tight! Alice! No! Smell you all. If I could only get closer to you, I will eat you all. But there's no way I could trespass. Oh, you could come nearer instead. What do you say? Do I smell human being? Oh, no, that can't be. There are no living humans on this island. I killed and ate them all. Not all. It seems I will have some juicy humans for dinner. The years went by, and although Caliph found many threats when raising his human son, he protected Tarzan well. Tarzan had become a gorilla, like his new father, and he had learned to behave exactly as his father had taught him. Tarzan